I installed something in my shower a few days ago that I haven't touched since, and yet it's been quietly working every single day. No moving parts, no noise, no power, just this little thing. Let me show you what this does, because if you have hair, long or short, you're going to want this. So this is the Shower Shroom. I got it sent to me for free just to try it out, and honestly, I figured I'd test it, toss it, and move on. But here's why I didn't. Installation, I was worried there would be some tricky process to taking out the drain cover, but it pops right out. Then you slide this in and you're done. No tools, no plumber, and no waiting for water to back up before you remember to clean the drain. Here's what sold me. Water still flows just fine, but hair, it wraps around the center without going down the drain. And cleaning it is so easy. I just pull it out, toss the hair, give it a rinse, and that's it. Nothing stuck deep in the pipes, no harsh drain cleaners. In it goes again, like new. Took 20 seconds tops. So yeah, remember that thing I said I haven't touched since I installed it? That's this, the Shower Shroom. Quietly doing its job so you don't have to. If you want one, there's a link in the description. Like and subscribe for more reviews about products that make your life easier.